I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Minecraft and pause the game to access options and video settings. Move the brightness slider to 100% for the fastest and safest brightness increase. Switch render distance higher if you want more visible world lighting at distance. Disable smooth lighting to see block edges and perceived brightness with clarity. Set clouds and fog to off to reduce visual obscuration of light sources. Restart the world to ensure settings apply consistently across all chunks. Use Night Vision Potion or Command to make darkness appear as bright daytime. Give yourself the effect with /effect give it S Minecraft, Night Vision 1,000,001 True. Brew a Night Vision Potion using a golden carrot as the main ingredient. Apply a beacon with night vision is not possible. Use potions or commands instead. Resource packs can also increase texture brightness by adjusting color maps and gamma. Commands work on servers if you have permission or operator privileges. Install Optifine to unlock gamma, dynamic lights, and advanced brightness tweaks. In Optifine, set gamma to higher values and enable dynamic lights for items. Edit options. TXD to change gamma to 16 for extreme brightness in singleplayer. Use shaders carefully. Some decrease brightness, while others increase bloom and exposure. Choose shader packs that explicitly advertise exposure controls and high dynamic range. Backup worlds before using mods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.